name is Simrit and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a loop to start off your friendship bracelets. Before we actually start making our loop for the bracelet, keep in mind that the loop is going to end up taking 11 inches, so make sure to add 11 inches of string to the amount of string that you already have. So to make this loop, I'm going to fold these strings in half. And now I'm going to take one side of these strings and tape them down just like this. Now to create this loop, you are going to need to make a forward knot. And to make a forward knot, what you're going to do is take the left string and fold it over the right side. And you will notice this is going to create a 4 shape. Then what you need to do is take the end of this left string that we just crossed over and take it under the other strings, bring it through this hole, and then slide this string to the top and pull it tight to form a forward knot. Then after making one forward knot, you are going to need to make a backward knot. And to make a backward knot, take the same string that you made a forward knot with and cross it over the left side. This is going to create a backwards 4. Then take the end of that string, bring it through this hole, and slide the string up to the top and tighten it to create a backward knot. After making a backward knot, you are going to make another forward knot. So fold it over the right side again, creating a 4 shape, pull it through the hole, and then slide it to the top, creating a forward knot. And then once again, you're going to do a backward knot, so cross it over the left side, take the end of that string through the hole, and slide the string to the top, and then tighten to create a backward knot. And then this is all you're going to do, so continue making forward and backward knots. If you prefer to have your loop in one color, then continue making more forward and backward knots. But if you would like to alternate the color, what you're going to do is switch to the next left string and pull it out. And then take that left string that you just switched to, and what you're going to do is make more forward and backward knots. Once you reach the length of 1 inch, you can take the tape off and then curve your loop over like this and then tape this down again. So what you're going to do to close off your loop is take one of your strings and then make a few more forward and backward knots to close your loop. And that is it. So now you're ready to start off your friendship bracelet. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!